Did you know that pairing eggs with certain foods can harm your brain cells and increase the risk of dementia? While eggs are often celebrated as a superfood for their health benefits, what you combine them with and how you prepare them could be damaging. Some food combinations with eggs can even raise the risk of cancer and dementia without you even realizing it. Today, HealthHack is here to reveal the 3 foods you should never eat with eggs due to their harmful effects, and also introduce you to 3 miracle foods that not only help prevent dementia, but also boost your eye health. Hi everyone, it's your health expert at HealthHack. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Let's keep spreading the best health information out there. Now, let's dive in. The number of people suffering from dementia has skyrocketed. It's no longer just affecting the elderly. Now, even those in their 20s and 30s are at risk. This alarming increase is largely due to poor dietary habits. Every food has ideal pairings that enhance nutrient absorption and combinations that can damage our health. Knowing how to combine foods is one of the best things we can do for our overall well-being. Today we'll focus on the superfood eggs, known for their high-quality protein, various minerals, vitamins, and essential nutrients. However, depending on what you pair eggs with, they can negatively impact your health and may even increase the risk of cancer and dementia. That's why, in today's video, we're revealing 3 foods you should definitely avoid eating with eggs to reduce these risks, and we'll also share the 3 best ways to consume eggs for maximum health benefits. These foods not only prevent cancer and dementia, but they also promote better eye health. First up, the food you should never eat with eggs is flour and bread. Many people love egg-based breads, and flour is a common ingredient in baked goods. However, this combination is far from ideal when it comes to preventing cancer and dementia. Eggs contain a powerful nutrient called choline, a type of vitamin B, which is why they're known as brain food. Choline plays a vital role in improving memory and concentration, making up to 30% of brain cell components. It helps activate brain functions to boost cognitive abilities, and is even used to prevent and treat conditions like forgetfulness, dementia, and Alzheimer's. Additionally, choline is highly effective in reducing inflammation in the body, which is key in preventing cancer. However, there's a factor that works against the beneficial effects of choline: flour. When you consume bread, which is high in carbohydrates, your blood sugar spikes, leading to the production of sugar toxins. These toxins can attack brain cells. If you eat bread and eggs together, it creates a conflict within your body. The choline in the eggs tries to form a protective barrier for your brain cells, while the sugar toxins from the bread attempt to break through this barrier and damage the cells. If you frequently consume flour-based foods, like noodles, bread, egg tarts, spaghetti, or white rice, especially if you already have high blood sugar, the problem escalates. This results in high insulin resistance and chronic inflammation. At this point, choline's protective efforts are overwhelmed by the body's excess load. This internal battle can lead to cardiovascular issues like hypertension and arteriosclerosis, problems with insulin secretion leading to diabetes, and chronic inflammation, which can cause cancer, dementia, and other brain diseases. To avoid this, it's better to choose whole wheat or healthier vegan breads that aren't made from refined flour when eating eggs. Now, let's move on to the first best companion for eggs: pumpkin. Eggs and pumpkins are a fantastic combination, particularly because the protein in eggs helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Additionally, the fiber in pumpkin combined with the calcium in eggs activates the parasympathetic nervous system, bringing a sense of calm and reducing anxiety and tension. It also helps ease physical stress, providing stability to both the body and mind. As many say, stress is the root cause of numerous illnesses. Eating eggs with pumpkin helps alleviate stress and fatigue in the body, Furthermore, pumpkin converts to vitamin A in the body, which is great for your overall health. Together with the lutein and zeaxanthin carotenoids in eggs, this pairing offers strong antioxidant protection for the eyes. It not only safeguards the retina, but also significantly reduces the risk of degenerative eye diseases like glaucoma and macular degeneration. If you've been experiencing blurred or cloudy vision, try incorporating eggs and pumpkin into your diet. Some recommended recipes include pumpkin pancakes, pumpkin egg rolls, or pumpkin egg soup. Eggs are a fantastic source of nutrients for building stronger muscles, and they're packed with essential vitamins and minerals. However, when combined with soy milk, these beneficial nutrients can't be absorbed properly, so it's best to avoid this pairing. If you find that eggs sometimes make your throat feel blocked, they're much better consumed with water or milk. There's something else important to keep in mind. Have you ever had tea, like green or black tea, with eggs? This is a major no-go. Drinking tea after eating eggs can actually cause the tannins in the tea leaves to bind with the egg proteins, forming tannin-protein complexes. These complexes slow down intestinal peristalsis, leading to a worsened intestinal environment and constipation. Even worse, this combination can increase your body's absorption of toxins and carcinogens. Therefore, it's best to avoid drinking tea or soy milk with eggs and opt for water or milk instead. Now, let's talk about the second best companion for eggs: cheese. Not only does cheese taste great, but it's also nutritionally the perfect match for eggs. While eggs are considered a complete food because of their vast array of nutrients, they're relatively low in calcium compared to dairy products. Cheese, being rich in calcium, complements eggs wonderfully. Plus, since cheese is fermented, it contains probiotics that enhance digestion, and the fermentation process also reduces the protein content, allowing you to balance your intake without over-consuming protein. On the other hand, the third worst companion for eggs is apricots. While you may not frequently eat apricots with eggs, it's crucial to know about the risks. Apricots, whether fresh or dried, are often eaten as a dessert, but combining them with eggs can lead to mild symptoms like headaches, diarrhea, and vomiting. In more severe cases, it could result in acute gastroenteritis. The problem comes from tannins, which give apricots their astringent taste. Tannins interfere with the digestion of proteins by clumping together with them in the digestive system, making it a dangerous combination when consumed with eggs. Finally, the third best companion for eggs is apples. While eggs are nutrient-dense, they lack vitamin C and dietary fiber, both of which apples provide in abundance. The dietary fiber in apples helps promote healthy bowel movements, aiding in digestion and even helping to expel bad cholesterol from the body, thus preventing cardiovascular diseases like arteriosclerosis, heart disease, and stroke. If you ever feel bloated or have trouble digesting eggs, pairing them with apples can stimulate gastric juice secretion and ease digestion. It's also essential to consider how eggs are prepared. To preserve their nutrients, it's best to avoid consuming raw eggs due to the risk of food poisoning. Frying eggs is also not ideal. Instead, steaming or boiling are excellent methods, with soft-boiled eggs being preferable over hard-boiled ones, which can become rubbery. If you do fry your eggs, it's recommended to use oils rich in omega-3, such as olive oil or flaxseed oil. To summarize, we've explored the 3 worst and 3 best foods to eat with eggs for cancer and dementia prevention. Rather than pairing eggs with flour-based foods like bread, try combining them with pumpkin for maximum benefits. Avoid consuming eggs with soy products like soy milk or tofu, and opt for cheese instead. Finally, steer clear of apricots and enjoy your eggs with apples for improved digestion and overall health. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you'll take this information to heart and use it to take better care of your health. If you found today's video helpful, please be sure to subscribe and like, and share this video with your loved ones. I'm always wishing for your health and happiness, and I'll continue bringing you more useful and informative health tips. This has been HealthHack. Thank you for watching.